Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize the header and footer areas of your WordPress theme the right way using your theme's functions, PHP file, and built-in WordPress hooks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add your own scripts, meta tags, or tracking codes to the header or footer of your site, all without editing your theme's core files directly. This method helps you stay safe from losing your changes during theme updates and keeps everything nice and clean. So let's get started. Rather than jumping straight into editing the header, PHP or footer, PHP files, which can cause all kinds of headaches if your theme updates or if you accidentally delete something important, we'll use a more sustainable approach. We'll be working in your theme's functions, PHP file, and taking advantage of special hooks that WordPress provides. These hooks let you inject custom code into specific parts of your theme without touching the structural HTML at all. First up is the header. If you want to add functional logic, like inserting an analytics script, a custom meta description, or even a verification tag for Google Search Console, you want that code to appear within the head section of your pages. The best way to do this is by using the WP head hook. Don't worry if that term sounds a bit technical. Think of a WordPress hook as a way to hang your custom code at the perfect location in your theme. Kind of like hanging ornaments on a tree without having to rewire the tree itself. Here's how you do it. Open your child theme's functions PHP file. If you've never used a child theme before, now's a good time to start. It protects your customizations from being overwritten when your main theme updates. In the functions PHP file, paste the following code. Add action WP head, my custom header code, function my custom header code. Echo your code here. Inside that echo statement, you can swap in whatever code you need, maybe a Google Fonts link, a favicon, or a custom script. It's important to use functions, PHP, because this keeps your header PHP file clean, and the changes are safe from theme updates. Take your time with this step and always double-check your code. A missing quotation mark or extra bracket can cause issues. So if something goes wrong, just remove or correct your last change. And remember, WordPress reads everything inside functions, PHP, so be careful and back up the file before starting. Now let's talk about the footer. Maybe you want to add an extra script just before the closing body tag, like a live chat widget, a page view counter, or a custom JavaScript file. The process is almost identical, but we'll use a different hook called WP footer. This hook lets you painlessly insert code right before the end of the page, again without touching your footer PHP template. Copy this to the functions PHP file as well. Add action WP footer, my custom footer code. Function my custom footer code. Echo your code here. Replace the comment with your actual footer code. This flexibility can be incredibly handy. For example, many third-party tools like Google Analytics will ask you to add a script to your site's footer. With this method, you simply paste it in this function and you're done. Be sure to use this power responsibly. Only add code you trust. And don't overload your header or footer with unnecessary scripts. Every extra piece can affect your site's speed or functionality. And there you have it. You can now customize your theme's header and footer the right way, injecting just what you need right where you need it, all while keeping the foundation of your theme untouched and update-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you still have questions or hit a roadblock, drop a comment below. I read every one. And if you want more WordPress guides and tips, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.